evolved over time?
Yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, we should talk more about that. So Ame Cloud Ventures, AME means rain in Japanese. And and Jerry's wife is Japanese. So there's a Japanese connection there, and then there always has been for Jerry. We were all about data. We started, as I said, at the beginning of the Hadoop cycle, and Jerry had seen how data-driven decisions and data lakes and big data and even beginning to train models, pre-AI, really, honestly, pre-AI or pre-AI going mainstream. I'm not going to say that Hinton and other great thinkers were not working on some of the paradigms that we now use in all of our models in AI, but the paradigm in sort of mature tech was statistics and data lakes and some simple models, and some machine learning was beginning to happen too, right? And that was our thesis. If you've got data, create value from it. If you don't have data, make sure you have it. So our whole thesis was like finding companies that were data driven and were becoming data nexus in their space or industry, or were working with data in some way. And the other differentiator that we sort of double clicked on was defensible technology and deep tech. So finding companies that had something that was IP first and defensible or deep first, and finding technologists and dreamers who are building something that was difficult and frontier tech, you could call it. So those are the two pillars of what we were investing in the early days. And I think largely that remains true for Ame. I think they're still very data driven. Obviously, we had this huge shift in 2023 with AI, right? 2022, 23 with AI. So that has kind of brought a whole new raft of opportunities. It's kind of cheap to say that we were in AI before it was cool, but it's kind of true. I would say it's different. It's a very different kind of AI now, but we were. I mean, we were